Ciao, homie. Before we get started with today's topic, I want to tell you about TubeBuddy, the best plugin for Chrome to get advanced analytics, keyword explorers, a thumbnail generator, health reports, bulk processing, and a whole host of other features for those of you YouTubers looking to slash all of your administrative time and become really efficient with putting out quality video. I put a link in the description below. Check them out. They have a free version and a ridiculously cheap upgrade to the pro version. It was $9 a month last time I checked. So check out and enjoy TubeBuddy. So now on with today's topic.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my blog, Strongest Man, where we use implements from around the house and the property to get in that workout. Remember, burning some calories is better than burning no calories. So today what we're going to do is my block strongest haircut, self-haircut. So in these uncertain times where you can't necessarily get out to the barbershop or get out to the salon, you got to kind of take matters into your own hands sometimes. So I'm going to show you how I take care of trimming it up a little bit. We'll use a hair clipper and we'll use little scissors and see what we get done. So what I'm going to do now is we'll start off with the side clipper, and I'm going to grab a mirror. So you need a 2-mirror system so that you can look behind your head, and here's how that goes. And so I'm going to start the clipping process. And so I'm trying a different technique today, which is take the longest comb on the clipper and go all the way up with it, and then blend it into what's on the top, and I'll work my way down from there. And so what I do is I have the clipper going straight up, and I sort of pull it away. I go up and pull it away, and that's how I get the blending to work. So you kind of just got to get a feel for it over time. Practice makes perfect. And this is how we get it blended up. And you'll forgive me for the audio in this. I really can't get any closer to the mic. I don't have the place to put it that's closer to me, so we'll do our best here. And as long as you keep hearing it grab here, you keep going until you get it all nice and smoothed out and blended in. And we'll switch over on the other side. And I am getting some better lighting over here. Lighting's important. And you got to center yourself on the mirror so you can see well. All right, so that's pretty blended. Now I'll show you how we take care of the top. So what I like to do is I take the comb off of the clipper and I grab pieces of my hair and then I just take off a little bit. And so I'll show you how that works. And so the idea is you're trying to grab the same amount of hair each time in your hands and have just a little bit, maybe an inch or a half inch sticking through your fingers, and that's what you're clipping off. And you just do that over your whole top of your head so you get a pretty even distribution. And then you want to comb it in between and make sure you're doing all right. So we'll grab the comb. So I feel like we're doing all right here. I want to get a little bit more off the back area, so we'll do that. And remember, every so often, check your camera, make sure you're still recording. And so we'll clean up the back a little bit too, the bottom part. And so you just start from the bottom and kind of drag up, make that nice even line, shape it around. And this is actually a perfect angle for me to see what I'm doing. Cut it up from the neck, and then switch sides. And that's basically how it's done, self-haircut. So looking pretty good. I'll probably fade up the rest a little bit more. So remember, with the right tools, you too can do a self-haircut at home if you can't get out to a professional to do it for you. Now, I have family who are professionals in this field, and they're going to kill me for doing this video. I'm sure they're going to say, what an idiot. But you got to do what you got to do sometimes when you're stuck at home. So I hope you liked this video. I hope I taught you a few lessons on how to start off with and for better or worse, this might be the wrong advice, but for me, the safer way is to start off with the biggest comb and blend to the top and work your way down to shorter and shorter so you don't end up chopping off a big piece of hair with a really close, no protected cutting length. So thanks again for joining My Blog Strongest Man. Subscribe, hit the like button, tell everybody you know about this video. I would really appreciate it. And hit the bell so you can get all notifications of my day after day, so every other day postings, 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Thanks again for joining me, and of course, as always, ciao.